Today I'm going to show you how to resolve a problem with Helm during the installation. The problem comes up after I try to install one application and it goes failed. After failed, I delete everything from the Helm list, and then after I reinstall again the same application, I found the error. The error could be something like this. Error: installation failed. Record manifest contain a resource that already exists. Unable to continue with install IngressClass nginx in namespace. Exists and cannot be imported into current release. Invalid ownership, metadata, annotation, validation error, missing key, blah blah. So I have a problem with my IngressClass. When I did a first installation that failed, it creates IngressClass, nginx IngressClass. So what we are going to do, we have to call the IngressClass that we have in our cluster. So the easiest things that you can do, maybe you don't know where is the IngressClass you put, because some of you maybe have your own namespace. Generally just put this type kubectl get IngressClass all namespace is showing all IngressClass that you have in your cluster. So what we have here, we have nginx IngressClass, and then we have to remove it. So I just want to move everything here to make it clear, because I'm a little bit worried if you cannot see the black screen. I use a notepad to make it clear. I have a IngressClass here called nginx. This is cause a problem with my Helm. What are you going to do is just delete the IngressClass. It's really simple. Delete, and you have to mention your IngressClass name. We have nginx IngressClass. So just delete it. After you delete it and rerun again your Helm, and it should be work. Thank you. Bye bye.